Sabi sus!
Pwede!
Sandal!
Ano lang?
Bagal!
Ah, okay lang, nasambut ko. So guys, here's some good reason kung bakit kailangan mo ng bagong denture kahit na okay pa naman ito. Again, it's me, Miss July. Got a dental drama? Let's sit, chit, and fix it quick. So here's some reasons why change your denture every 5 to 7 years as recommended by your dentist. Unang-una sa ating list is for it to have an updated fit. Because as we all know, si Joe and Gums ay nag-shrink as we have our missing teeth. And nagwe-wear off din si denture as we use it. And syempre pa, baka iba na yung itsura mo from the first time you wear your denture. Kaya from time to time, kailangan nating palitan si denture. Last on our list, why change our denture for every now and then is to have a better hygiene and detection of early problems like oral cancer and bone loss. Baka dahil kasi hindi na fit sa atin si denture, meron na tayong sores or ulcers, gum irritation, or infection na kagaya ng denture stomatitis. Tandaan, huwag tipirin ng sarili, especially when it is necessary. Gaano ka man ka-busy, your smile deserves a royal treatment. So shine bright like a diamond and shine bright with majesty. Because feeling good starts with a smile.